How about you guys make a video of your first day with snow?
Welcome to Adam's and Ryan's Playtime!
Hey guys, so there's a lot of snow everywhere. And look at this snow. Super beautiful. We are gonna be playing with the snow. The snow we have here is super duper soft. Me and my boy Ryan here, he loves snow. This is our shed, and this is our sled. It's super good. It's gonna be super fun. And yeah, let's go. Let's just move right on to the fun part. Alright guys, Ryan's gonna go first.
And I'm really scared because I might get so cold.
Alright, just go. Oh, there goes Ryan. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be sledding. I'm gonna be sledding with my big red round sled.
You're pretty small.
Yeah.
The snow!
I have like gallons of snow on me. Alright, we're good. We are gonna be making in the snow. We are gonna be making a snowman. Alright, so first we're gonna go with the bottom. This is gonna be our little snowman body. Let's go find some sticks. We already found a buried stick. Geez, this is more like a tree. The best place for nice sticks. Let's see if I can go up this. Go up here. Ugh. This is super hard. Oh, look. Guys, we found even animal tracks. See that? Right in the snow. That's so cool. Ryan, the good thing is I found sticks for arms. Right, guys? We are officially gonna jump down! Right. Oh, there you go. You're looking good. Stay tuned, guys.
If you